Hey everyone, it's Zai, and I'm here to share my blood results, my testosterone results with you. So before actually taking HRT, my testosterone level was anywhere from 46 to 83, but that's high for female bodies. That's because I have PCOS. I had a blood test done recently because I want to check my testosterone. I'm on a low dose, I'm on a typical half dose, so 0.25 milliliters every week of tea, that's what I take. So typical male, cis male, their testosterone is usually 300 to 1,000. Mine on a half dose of tea is at 204. I'm impressed. It's at 204 total testosterone, and free testosterone is at 35.6. Of course it works differently with different bodies and different people, but I noticed it's hard to find a video of people sharing what their actual levels were. So yeah, that's my levels on low dose tea currently. Thank y'all for watching. Click that thumbs up and peace everybody. Appreciate y'all.